Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Grand Marnier Soufflé. First, prepare your ramekins by buttering them generously and then coating the insides with granulated sugar. This creates a non-stick surface and helps the soufflé rise beautifully. Next, carefully separate 6 large eggs, ensuring no yolk mixes with the whites. You'll use both for different parts of the recipe. Finally, begin your pastry cream base, combining milk, sugar, and a touch of flour or cornstarch for thickening. Now let's infuse that signature flavor. Once your pastry cream has cooled slightly, gently fold in a generous amount of Grand Marnier. The exact measurement can be adjusted to your taste, but typically it's about 1/4 cup. In a separate, very clean bowl, whip your 6 egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Gradually add a few tablespoons of sugar during this process to stabilize the meringue. Finally, carefully fold the meringue into your Grand Marnier pastry cream, being careful not to deflate the air. With your soufflé mixture ready, it's time to fill the ramekins. Spoon the airy mixture into each prepared ramekin, filling them about 3/4 of the way to the top. Don't overfill, as they will rise significantly. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and puffed. Serve your Grand Marnier soufflé immediately, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar for an elegant finish. For the best rise, resist the urge to open the oven door during the first 10 minutes of baking. Any sudden temperature change can cause your delicate soufflé to collapse. Also, make sure all your bowls and whisks are completely grease-free when whipping egg whites. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent them from reaching stiff peaks. Enjoy this impressive dessert, perfect for special occasions or just a delightful treat. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay hydrated, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.